This video demonstrates the sealing application process and proper tooling techniques. When bonding metals, corrosion protection is crucial. Proper adhesive and sealant application prevents voids that can trap water and cause bond line corrosion. Joint dimensions should also account for expected movement. Before sealing, pre-treat surfaces following SICA's pre-treatment chart. Apply masking tape to protect joint edges and ensure a clean finish. Cut the nozzle to size and fill the joint with sealant. Smooth the overfill with a spatula. Remove the masking tape right after the tooling, when the material is still fresh. Pull the tape towards the sealing joint. And tool the sealant using a compatible tooling agent for a polished appearance. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful.